Sales is about creating an environment where an act of faith can take place, or a leap of faith. And that leap of faith is based upon trust and credibility. And I think that's a really important piece here, is that everything in our sales process has to contribute to creating trust or credibility, or it shouldn't be in our sales process. In my opinion, anything that doesn't truly resonate with creating trust and credibility that's in our sales process will actually slow down exponential growth. It'll create friction in our sales process. I've just asked a bunch of questions and I haven't even started really talking about the company yet they want to do business with me. And part of it was this process of having a solid needs analysis. And here's the goal of the needs analysis, and I'll talk about this a little bit later, is our goal of the needs analysis is, I know that you at Encardio know the story about why people should do business with you. But see, a good needs analysis, instead of you telling them the story, you ask them the right questions and they'll narrate the story in their own words as to why they need to do business with you. That becomes their idea versus us trying to convince them that they should be doing business with us. Exponential sellers aren't problem solvers. We're actually problem sellers. And I think this is a really important piece, is in many cases, we help clients identify and realize maybe some bigger gaps they weren't aware of, right? Or maybe we help them identify that they're actually missing a whole bunch of opportunity they didn't see. And this is often where truly the real opportunities come from. Because if I can help a client see and solve a problem they weren't aware of, this absolutely moves me from product peddler or salesperson to actually trusted advisor and partner. And that's where true revenues and long-term relationships unlock. So here's some of the better future state type questions I might ask somebody. And again, these are general questions, not specific to your organization, but this might give you an idea. So tell me about your present whatever process. So I'm going to drill into their process. Have you addressed the following risk in that process? How often does this challenge occur? What is the impact or cost fallout when these things go wrong? Did you factor in the cost of X with this? What would your operations look like if you didn't have to deal with this issue again, or if we took that load for you? So this cost reduction and an increase in the following on the upside would allow you to do 3 to 5 more projects. Is this correct? What would the dollar value of that look like for you from a revenue perspective next year? So these are the types of drill down questions that I may be asking a client. And what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to help them see the problem or the opportunity and quantify it financially.